Hello all. In this video we will see what is the use of a ternary operator in Java. It's the only operator which operates on three operands. So the operator is two combination letter. So one is a question mark, then a colon. So this is the operator. As already told, this operator operates on three operands. Here in the picture, X is one operand, Y is another operand, and Z is the third operand. So there are three operand, and if you see, the operator is in between these three operands. So X is an expression which will return Boolean true or false. This means we can place any Boolean expression here. Simply speaking, the Boolean expression that we usually place in the if condition. So such kind of stuff we can place in the placeholder for X. So that's operand 1. So the operand 1 or the expression X may evaluate to true or false. If it evaluates to true, the expression Y is evaluated, then it gets returned by the operator. So if the expression X is false, then the operand Z, that is the false portion in the picture, so that will get returned. So you can see all X, Y, Z as expression. The only limitation on the only condition on the X side is it should evaluate to true or false. Y and Z can be anything. It can be a mathematical expression or it can be a Boolean expression. So it will return a value, a same data type kind of value. So for example, if Y returns a string, then it's good that Z also should return a string. Otherwise, the expression is dangerous to use otherwise. Let's see an example for this. Actually, this ternary operator is a replacement for if else structure. So here is an example. In this example, we have two integer variable, int x equal to 10 and int y equal to 15. Then we declare a string and integer variable. So x and y is initialized to a value. The string result and int difference is just declared. So in the code snippet example 01, we are seeing the usage of a ternary operator. X greater than y, that is the condition which we are checking. So this is the expression, and we are seeing it with the question operator. So the first operand, I can say x greater than y is the first operand, which is an Boolean expression. In this example, x is 10 and y is 15. So we are checking, we are saying 10 greater than y, which is false. So the second portion, the first false portion of the expression is evaluated, which is y is big here in this example. So that get returned to the result, and we are printing that in the output. On the right side, you can see the output. We are getting y is big. And the second part of the example, code snippet 2, marked as example 02. We are actually evaluating the expression for true as well as false. The ultimate goal here is we want to calculate the difference between two given number, and we don't want to get a negative value on the difference. So Our initial value is x equal to 10, y equal to 15. So we are checking that the condition evaluates to false in the first statement here. So what happens, we return to false portion, which means y minus x, that will get evaluated. So y is 15 and x equal to 10. So we get 5, that 5 get assigned to the difference. So this is outputted, this is our second statement. The output now shows the difference is 5. So after this printout statement, print line statement, we are assigning a value to x, that means x equal to 100. Next we are setting a value 50 in the variable y, which means this time x is big, y is lesser. So when we use the same ternary operator here, the expression evaluates to true. So this time the expression executed for difference is x minus y. Previously it was y minus x. So we always get a positive difference. This time it returns 50, and which is printed on the right side panel. You can see it. The difference is 50. Now we will look at the example. So first I'm placing this code. So I already created a class. I don't want to repeat the same step here. So inside the static void main, I am placing my declaration. Then we will place our first statement. Let me save and execute it. If you see here, x greater than y, so x is 10, y equal to 15, so we will end up here and we will see y is big. So I'm executing it, and this is the result, y is big. Now we will execute this statement, example 02. This time, as explained in the slide, we will see the difference. The first time the difference between x and y is 5. The second time the difference is 50. Yeah. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel so that you can see more videos which will come online to you. Thanks again for watching. See you. Bye.